My peeps, what's going down? When did the idea of fucking bitching about something become such a fucking popular way of getting what you want? Fuck, man. My generation, you fucking stood up and you got something done. If you're gonna fucking have the balls to complain about it, you fucking did something about it. You didn't just fucking complain and expect that somebody else is gonna come along and clean up your fucking mess. Today's generation, it's awkward. It's uncomfortable. It's difficult. Who fucking cares? Anything worth a fucking damn is gonna be difficult. Anything worth a fucking damn is gonna be fucking awkward. Anything worth a fucking damn is gonna be fucking frustrating and difficult as a motherfucker. Own that motherfucker. Who gives a shit if it's fucking difficult? It's supposed to be fucking difficult. If it was easy, everybody'd fucking do it. Process this. Are you one of these motherfuckers that just sits back and fucking bitches about what's fucking wrong and doesn't have the fucking sack to actually fucking clean it up? If you're gonna have the fucking nuts to complain about something not going fucking right, you better have the fucking goddamn backbone to stand the fuck up and go fucking attempt to fucking do something about the goddamn problem. Don't just fucking sit around and fucking complain. Nothing's gonna fucking happen other than the people around you are gonna get really fucking pissed off because you fucking complain and you fucking bitch and you don't do shit about it. Get off your fucking ass, make an attempt to fix the fucking problem. The odds are, once you do that, somebody's gonna come and fucking help you. But nobody's gonna fucking come help you when you're sitting your fucking fat ass complaining about a fucking problem you haven't even attempted to try to fucking fix. That's right. If you got the fucking nuts to complain, you better have the fucking sack to stand up and try to fucking fix the problem. That's what it's all about, my peeps. Rock and roll.